This is the video guide that will help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows and intrusive ads which are actually related to the site phenotypebest.com. This phenotypebest.com is a malicious site because it tries to mislead people and to make them subscribe to the multiple pop-ups that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. To click on allow is a serious mistake, so don't do that. If you have clicked on allow, you should fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, go to permissions and click on notifications. When you find any malicious sites here, you should remove them from this list. There is a program that can help you do that automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.